Well, we have with us one and only one Milab Zaveri. He is a tremendous Bollywood buff. As a Bollywood buff, पूरी industry में नहीं होगा. In fact, पूरी दुनिया में नहीं होगा. And he's got a unique, in fact, knack for updating himself, which is something that is really unique. He's had like a Masti Zade in the past, and now he's having a Rakh, which is a short film, and it looks completely different from what maybe he has ever done. First of all, Milap, huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much, Faridun. Lovely to be back on Bollywood Hungama.
And happy Diwali to you.
Happy Diwali to you too. Happy New Year.
Okay, and why Rakh after Masti Zade?
Well, they say, a phoenix has to rise from the ashes. After Masti Zade, I faced quite a lot of criticism, backlash. I was typecast for many years in the comedy genre. Rakh was an opportunity to try and show that I can do something different, something dramatic. I've written films like Villain, Kante, Shootout or Vadala. But as a director, I never got a chance to do that. So credit goes to my friends Shad Randhawa and Prachi, who's the co-producer of the film. They, egged me on, said, let's do something. You should do something in the short film genre. And, that's how I think gusse ki aag se raak ka janam hua. It was just an anger in me that I want to do something new and I want to try and attempt something as a genre I've never done before.
Okay, so is it like a goodbye to like sex comedies, or do you have something else in the pipeline?
So it's goodbye to sex. Forget sex comedies. No, I'm quite done with the genre. I've written Grand Masti. I've directed Masti Zade. I've done with that genre. Now as a writer, as a director, I want to do more powerful things. When I met Veer Das for this film, I told him actually, तुझे मुझ पे कुत्ते छोड़ने चाहिए कि मैंने तुझे मस्ती ज़्यादा दी तू मतलब मुझे बिल्डिंग की गेट के अंदर हाउ यू लेटिंग मी एंटर बट आई नरेटेड दिस टू माई सेल्फ समथिंग यू नेवर डन कभी यू नेवर डन अ ड्रामेटिक सीरियस रोल विद दिस काइंड ऑफ शेड्स एंड ही इमीडिएटली अग्री अगर मैं कॉमेडी लेके गया होता उसके पास लाइक मस्ती ज़्यादा और एनी कॉमेडी आई डोंट थिंक ही वुड हैव अग्री टू बी पार्ट ऑफ इट द वे ही हैड डिड सो फॉर मी adult comedies are done from my part of my career. I hope people make them. चले भी तो बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन मैं अब नहीं बनाऊंगा. Comedies, clean family comedies, 100% I would write, I would direct. But right now मैं राख के मोड में हूँ. मुझे कुछ powerful चीज़ें करनी है, कोशिश करनी है at least.
From the first poster that came out here, in fact we had this conversation and somehow I was thrilled with it because anyone who knows Milab Zaveri, they will fall in love with him. He's not like the sex comedies that he makes at all actually, nor for women nor for men who are shown in his movies, in his past movies. But I think the biggest departure from what maybe you have ever done is you have like a beautiful number by Raju Singh which Sonu Nigam has sung for you. Now this is something that many people will never associate with a Milab Zaveri ever actually. Do you agree with that?
Well, I was very lucky and fortunate that Raju sir agreed to not only do the background score for the film but give us Prachi and me a wonderful song in Bas Itna Hai Kehna, which Rashmi Virag has written the beautiful lyrics. Sonu ji is a dream. I think his biggest fan is me. He's worked with me before. My first film जाने का से आई है एक गाना उसमें था कोई रोक भी लो जो मेलोडियस सैड सॉन्ग था बट वहाँ से लेके लाइफ चेंज टू रोम रोम रोमांटिक एंड देखेगा राजा ट्रेलर एंड ऑल सो व्हेन राख हैज़ एन इमोशन इट हैज़ अ लव स्टोरी इन इट्स प्लॉट तो जब राजू सर मेड अस हियर दिस सॉन्ग आई मीन आई थिंक इट वाज इंस्टेंट प्राची एंड वी वर टुगेदर एंड हमने गाना सुना एंड इंस्टेंटली वी सेड दिस इज द सॉन्ग and then was like who should sing it and then obviously the first name which came up was Sonu sir and we were very fortunate he sung it. आपने गाना सुना है मतलब जो आवाज़ और जो दर्द और जो मोहब्बत उनकी आवाज़ में I don't think किसी की आवाज़ में हो सकती है. So I'm very happy and lucky that बस इतना सा इतना है कहना is a part of Rakh and it is the soul of Rakh. It is the soul of the love story that is there in Rakh and today we are shooting a music video with Sonu sir and Raju sir. Which will be intercut with visuals of the film and in a few days it will be out for the world before the film. The film is out on 7th of November on T-Series YouTube channel and before that a few days before that this video will be out of the song.
Now you've got an amazing response for for the teaser that has come out. I think almost anyone and everyone within the industry somehow it also shows the amount of goodwill that you enjoy within the industry that everyone has, and people are genuinely happy. People are genuinely happy that you are getting into a space which is totally people will never maybe in a way associate with yourself. What has been the best compliment that you've got in all the things that have come?
Well, there have been a lot of compliments. One of the main ones, जो इज्जत मिल रही है ना, I must say इज्जत is a lot also because of Richa Chadha. Richa Chadha, when she comes in the film ना, automatically people think इस film में कुछ बात होगी, इज्जत होगी, इज्जतदार film होगी. So I would say जब poster भी आया था, certain people in industry tweeted, wow, Richa is doing a film with Milap. मतलब कि कुछ बात होगी, कुछ emotion होगा. So when the promo came out and the first poster came out and it had Richa, Veer, Shad, and completely dramatically different from whatever they had done before. Touchwood, till now the response has been, didn't expect this from Milap, and a new Milap Zaveri or, Milap, the Raak trailer has you on the edge of your seat or things like these which, people have expressed, their praise, which I'm very humbly happy about. सबसे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट वो आया था कि यार ये लगता नहीं कि ही इज़ द सेम पर्सन हुज डायरेक्टेड मस्तीज़ादे और रिटन द कॉमेडीज दैट इज रिटन इन द पास्ट. दिस कुड बी अ न्यू मिलाप. आई होप इट्स अ बेटर मिलाप. न्यू तो हर चीज़ नहीं होती है, लेकिन आई होप अच्छी हो. एंड व्हेन यू ऑल सी द फिल्म एंड 7th November when the world sees the movie, people say कि हाँ it's a good film. And the best compliment, Renzel De Silva, I showed him the film and he saw it and he told me, he saw the promo first. He said it's extraordinary promo. Then he saw the film. He said the film is better than the promo. So if everyone feels that eventually on 7th of November, I'll be really happy.
No, obviously. In fact, if a movie can live up to the promo, or maybe it's better than the promo, I think that's the biggest compliment that anyone can have. Because many a times it's the promo which is good, the film doesn't work at times. Okay, and what do you think? Because now I'm sure that suddenly there must be a lot of, after all the backlash that you got for Mastizade, I'm sure that just a short film or like even a promo can totally ignite the attention as far as within the industry is concerned, that yes, that maybe he's ready for something new in terms of like a feature film. So do you have a feature film idea ready?
I do. I have quite a few interesting feature film ideas ready that are in the zone of Raak, that are powerful, that are dramatic, that have a lot of emotional punch. Fingers crossed, Raak is appreciated and लोग बोले यार इसने 17 मिनट में करके दिखाया, तो hopefully पूरी feature film भी कर सकेगा. Till now, जैसे whoever have shown the film to in the industry also, like Abbas Mastan sir, Rohit Shetty, Rohit Dhawan, all directors, they all have told me the film feels like a climax of a film. It's got that power. So hopefully people let me make a film that is more than just 17 minutes in this genre. That will be my ultimate dream, to make a film like Raak, a feature film, full feature film. जब मैं अब देखता हूँ Raak, जो DI देखता हूँ और sound सुनता हूँ 5.1 mix, I feel यार काश ये theatre में आ रही होती.
Definitely. Now, is it like about supernatural? Is it like a horror film? What exactly is it?
No, it's not a horror film. It's a revenge saga. It's a film about revenge. It's a film about retribution, about vengeance. Evil, we keep saying, on 7th November, evil will burn. Revenge will have no mercy. So it is, the genre is a dramatic revenge thriller. It's not a horror at all.
Okay, because why I was saying was because in a way, even horror somewhere many would say that it has reached like a saturation point, that you have like a similar sort of things coming out again and again. Now, Milap Zaveri से अगर आपने rapid fire नहीं किया तो फिर क्या फ़ायदा मिलाप ज़ावेरी का इंटरव्यू करने का, because he's extremely witty and we hope that it always remains like that. So rapid fire with Milap Zaveri.
ठीक है सर.
All right, a dialogue of yours closest to your heart.
Right now it's from Raak. माचिस की तीली जब जलती है तो शुरू में उसकी आग में कितना एरोगेंस, कितना अहंकार होता है, फिर धीरे धीरे उसे अपनी औकात पता चलती है, फिर वो खुद जलने के लिए फड़फड़ाती है, बुझने से पहले एक आखिरी बार भड़कती है और फाइनली राख हो जाती है.
I love your work in 24. I told Anil ji about that. I've told you very many times before that, and I'm very happy to hear that dialogue. An actor from Bollywood you think has the best dialogue delivery?
The best dialogue delivery, I would have to say, Shah Rukh Khan sir is extraordinary. Mr. Bachchan, the god. Mr. Bachchan said my lines in Kaante. It was a dream come true for me. I don't think there's any actor better than Mr. Bachchan in Bollywood who can deliver dialogues.
Great. I'll list out a few famous Bollywood dialogues. You have to add the Milap twist to it. Okay. जो डर गया,
वो कब्र में गया,
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की,
आया बनना चाहता हूँ,
पुलिस ने तुम्हें चारों तरफ से,
हथकड़ी पहना दिए.
My name is Khan and I'm not a.
आई एम नॉट अ टेररिस्ट. आई थिंक दैट्स वो इतना अच्छा लाइन है, मैं उससे बदल नहीं सकता हूँ. एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन इन आवर टाइम्स दैट वे वी डिस्क्रिमिनेट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन. एंड माई नेम इज खान एंड आई एम नॉट अ टेररिस्ट इज अ वंडरफुल लाइन. आई वुड नॉट लाइक टू चेंज इट.
I can talk English.
आई कैन ऑल्सो राइट इंग्लिश.
Which, according to you, is the most symbolic dialogue of Bollywood?
द मोस्ट सिम्बॉलिक डायलॉग ऑफ बॉलीवुड आई थिंक इज मेरे पास माँ है.
Milap as a screenwriter or Milap as a director? Who is the better Milap?
अगर दोनों का मिलाप हो जाए थोड़ा थोड़ा और थोड़ा स्क्रीन राइटर भी अच्छा हो जाए, डायरेक्टर भी अच्छा हो जाए, आई थिंक दैट बी द बेस्ट मिलाप.
A recent film you saw and wish you should have written it?
Pink. Pink was a film I saw and I really wish I would have written it.
Okay, the most hilarious dialogue of yours have been?
मैं दिखता हूँ स्वीट इनोसेंट टाइप का, लेकिन वो बहुत बड़ा हरामी टाइप का.
Okay. If given a chance to revisit past, what mistake you'll not repeat as far as your career is concerned?
I will try to do equal amount of drama and comedy. So people allow me to do a lot of drama also other than just comedy.
Fantastic, Milap. It was wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hungama and looking forward to Rak eagerly. And thank you very much for giving your time. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.